Hey, what's up everyone? So our topic for today is how to know the battery of your iPhone. So let's get started. First, go to settings and then find battery and can check battery health. Mine is already at 85%, so that is your battery health. And always choose this optimized battery charging, so it will reduce battery aging. Also, the recommended percentage to change your battery is 70%. And that's it. I hope it helps you a lot. Please request any video tutorial, just comment it down below and let's try doing it. And I'll see you on my next video.